How you doing, guys? And welcome back. And by the way, happy Thanksgiving and many blessings for the incoming year. And thankful for everything this year. Been so far so good. Been good. I mean, it has its up and down, but it's just part of life. But just being thankful for being alive and be able to breathe. So make sure you're being thankful for the things you have or the things that you accomplished this year so far. Actually getting off to a road trip with the fam. We're going up to the west side today, and you guys are coming along for the ride. So it's gonna be a food festivity, because you know that's what the holidays is all about, getting families together and eating, because that's what you're gonna do. So let's go with the show. And today we're taking the Black Beauty, the heavy Chevy, and believe it or not, it's very roomy because it has seating for 6 people, and we're actually picking up my mother-in-law, so we need the extra room. Plus the kids are taking the power scooter, and believe it or not, the ride is very comfortable. Yep, and she's hungry. I gotta fill her up. I mean, the gas mileage on the truck, I'm getting like 15, 16 on the highway. So, I mean, you know, it's not that bad. And normally, when we go visit the West Coast, we take Alligator Alley, better known as I-75. And if you guys been on this road, you know it could get kind of boring, because basically, it's just trees and highway. You don't really get to see anything interesting, so it makes the ride feel even longer. And yep, like usual, I get stuck driving. But this time, I got lucky because my mother-in-law kept talking to everybody and kept everybody awake. If not, everyone would have been to sleep 10 minutes into the drive. And yes, don't worry, Gabby has a seatbelt. The center seat has a lap seatbelt. And we have arrived to our destination. Guess what? As soon as we got here, Fresquito wanted to go check out a canal that he saw nearby. All right, so we just made it here to Naples, and while everybody's at the party playing dominoes, eating chips, Fresco's out here trying to catch something under the bridge.
Another fish that crank up.
See that? That's what you call addiction to fishing. Now he's gonna show us what type of luck he has. If it's good luck or bad luck.
Might be lucky.
So, see what happens. Water kind of murky, but it's not that bad. It's a beautiful day actually today here on the West Coast. So we're checking, we're testing our luck. Well, I bet you it's gonna catch a grunt in fresh water. All right, show him what you got, brother.
Catch alligator.
Yeah, that's what we gotta watch out for, alligator. Alligators on here. All right, let's see what he got. Feeling lucky. All right, I guess.
Seen the crane catch 2 fish. Already beat
The crane caught 2 fish.
Or whatever that is. A stork? What is that?
Well, I don't know what that is.
It's a crane or something.
I don't know what bird that is. They caught 2 fish, so you better catch something. All right, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but we didn't catch no fish. We got a cable. Look at that cable right there, trying to bring it. Whoa!
Yours snapped off.
Yep, snapped the hook. Help mine. Now they're probably gonna break yours. Just lost my lure. Lost my lure to the cable.
Technique. Oh wait, no, I can just do this. Watch this.
What's the technique? What are you doing?
How you get it unstuck from like stuff like this. You take off your reel, you just throw the rod in there.
What do you mean throw the rod in there?
Use the rod to tap the hook up. Oh, yeah.
What about if you let go of the line?
I lose the rod.
No, let go of the line.
Oh, this, like this?
All right. It feels like saltwater fishing right now because no luck here either. So we're heading out. We're heading out back to the party, cause ain't no luck here. Make sure I don't get hit. So not even at Naples we got luck. I guess fishing is luck. So well, I guess we're gonna head back and see what's up at the party. Look at the man with no luck. The man with no luck right there. Actually, I lost the lure. Exactly. Okay.
I'm gonna get to my bag.
Let's go, big boy. Let's go back. Thing about fishing is, as long as we try about 20 minutes though.
Oh yeah. Actually, hold on.
All right, so we're back to the house. Now let's go see what everybody's up to. Why? Grab it, do the backflip. Whoa, Gabby didn't want to do the backflip, but we got Joel, the stunt man, doing his thing. Oh, you got it. All right, let's go see what everybody's up to. And like you see here, we got the adults playing some dominoes. See, I guess everyone's entertained. And yep, we even brought Yuli. And now we're gonna explore the best part of the party. Well, at least to me it is. Because you know me, I like the food. So let's check it out. Let's see what they have. And I guess right here, I guess this is honey ham that he's trying to cut here. But you know what? I'm looking around and something is missing. Do you know what it is? If you know what it is, go ahead and leave it in the comments. Oh, solid.
That's
Lo pensate? Should I be good or should I be bad?
I'm like, I'm a mom now.
You gotta send her the sample. And the main course has arrived. But this is the first time I see bacon with turkey. I guess oven roast? I don't know. But I'm really curious to see how it tastes. But one thing for sure, it sure does smells good. And yep, everyone has to get in the buffet line. Alright, enough of standing around. I gotta get my food. Bacon? Oh, I want to do it.
Is it no meat?
Yes, man. The meat's all mixed there. In there.
Why didn't you just cut it off?
You want to pick your leg, man?
Yeah, that's it for me. Alright. Now, you know food is a good part of the party, but what is the best part of the party? Desserts. What happened? An accident? Drinking and driving?
Aqui, brigadeiro, patrão você.
Now, here's part of the party that's pretty good too, because now once you're full of food and sweets, you actually get to relax and you get to talk to your cousins, aunts, sisters that you haven't seen in a while. Well, that Olguita hasn't seen in a while, because this is Olguita's part of the family. In the same way that everyone pitches in and brings food and different things to the Thanksgiving dinner, now it's time to help clean up. And if you guys figure out what was missing, I'm gonna go ahead and read the comments just to see if you guys are paying attention. Well, like you guys saw, it was a good time here at the West Coast with Olguita's family having a Thanksgiving dinner. And also, thank you for watching, and hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving with their families.